Hi crafters, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. I'm on my way to Dollar Tree to see what kind of craft supplies and or craft kits I can find. Please keep watching to see what I did find. I'm back from Dollar Tree and I found some fantastic craft items. Here are some crafts for youngsters. This is a sand art kit. It includes 3 bags of sand, a heart, and a design tool. Another item that I found are these Woodshop bird feeder and birdhouse kits. They include the pieces of wood, the glue, an eye screw, and also cord for hanging it. You don't have to spend a whole lot to keep your youngsters busy with craft projects. Here's another one that I found. This is a paint set, and it has a train and a horse and includes the paint and the paintbrush. Another thing that I found today was this velvet art poster set, which includes the poster and also markers that you can use. In the craft section, I also found some beads, alphabetic beads, and also pony beads, and some craft bags. The craft bags were 2 for $1, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but in the future I will have a video on using these craft bags. When you're in Dollar Tree, don't just look in the craft section, search other sections for things that you can use for your crafting. This is adhesive fabric tape, and this is also tape that is decorative. I also found these push pins, which I thought would make a great project. They're round. In the floral department, I picked up some styrofoam balls and also this planter with artificial plant in it. And then in the gardening section, I picked up some clay pots. I plan to use all these items to make various crafts, so please check back with our YouTube channel because I will be making projects using these items from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video seeing things that you can find at Dollar Tree for only $1 for making craft projects and craft activities. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos regularly. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great resource for craft and hobby information. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting information and free projects.